Metal wall panel, also known as convex and concave plate, using high-quality metal sheet as the base material, a new type of curtain wall made by CNC bending and coated with fluorocarbon paint. The wall is shaped like the Great Wall and has a unique visual effect. Metal wall panel lightweight, high strength, waterproof, anti-fouling, fire, corrosion, good processing performance, low maintenance costs, long service life. Suitable for all kinds of building interior and exterior wall, wrapping, lobby facade column decoration, corridor, indoor shaped ceiling decoration. In modern design, more and more schemes use the Great Wall plate as a decorative element, and it has become a highly sought-after decorative material. The products made by Zhongtuo's external wall plate machine have smooth appearance and strong three-dimensional sense. From feed pinch rollers, idlers, manual broach to feed guide, keep the sheet surface coating smooth, reflecting the fine design details. The design is to solve practical application problems and constantly improve the equipment configuration. The key design lies in flanging molding, and the side rollers on both sides are precisely flanged to ensure the straightness and flatness of the product. The position of the cutter is also the highlight of the equipment. If the cutter is placed in the last link, the hem of the product will be flattened after cutting, resulting in time-consuming and laborious subsequent installation. By cutting off the plate first, rolling through 2 rows of parallel rollers and 2 rows of vertical rollers, directly rolling into the finished product, without manual follow-up, to ensure the perfect shape of the product. The hydraulic station and control cabinet are installed above the equipment to save space. The whole set of equipment brings maximum side effect and artificial effect. The blessing of a full set of Siemens accessories, remote operation and maintenance, data acquisition and the full use of data neurons, to realize the automatic production equipment process, so that customers can know the equipment status at any time and anywhere. Early warning, failure can be automatically shut down. Zhongtuo cold bending not only considers the needs of customers perfectly from the mechanical end, the control end implements the technologies of Industry 4.0 into actual production, bringing us to an era of greater efficiency, intelligence, and innovation.